Hello everyone, I'm Riya from Cadence Antalya. Today I will introduce you Cadence's new Aqua slimes. There is 6 types of Aqua slimes. One of them is forest animal set, one of them is farm animal set, one of them is sweet fruit set, one of them is dinosaur set, one of them is marine animal set, and one of them is DIY mix set. Today I will be doing the marine animal set, and I like to thank Cadence for making these for us. There is such a fun activity to do in the hot summers. So let's get started. So let's open this. In the box there is 5 colors, and there is 5 marine animal molds. There is only 5 for the marine animal set. And there is this magic powder, and on the back of the box there is the directions on how to do them. So now let's start doing them. There is molds like this. They're all marine animals, and here are the colors. The colors are red, purple, green, blue, and yellow. So the first thing says we will fill this large container with 1 liter of water. We have 250 milliliters of water. We will pour both of them in. Okay, yeah. And then it says to put the magic powder in. So let's put it. Okay, we should put it in. We should put the whole pack in, and then you should stir it until it's clear. Now our magical water is clear. Now here comes the fun part. Because that I'm a Cancer, I will use it first. You could use your imagination. It's just up to you. I'm gonna fill it with red. Okay, we colored our crab, and now we will put it in the water, and you should gently shake it under the water. And it should come off easily. There we go. This is our little crab. Also, there is different colors in all of the different sets. For example, in the marine animals, there are these colors. In the sweet fruit set, there's different colors. In the dinosaur set, there's different colors. And to do this activity, it's really easy and fun. I think that you should try it out. And once again, I'm thanking Cadence for making this product for us kids. And don't forget, Cadence is enough for you.